Puzzles like word searches and seek-a-word games possess a universal appeal. Regardless of age, culture, or language, these puzzles offer a common ground where everyone can engage their minds in a fun and enriching activity. Beyond mere entertainment, puzzles provide a workout for our brains. Solving word searches and seek-a-word puzzles enhances cognitive abilities such as attention to detail, pattern recognition, and vocabulary expansion. It's like a mental gym session that keeps our brains agile and sharp. In our fast-paced lives, finding moments of tranquility is essential. Puzzles act as a therapeutic escape, offering a meditative experience that helps reduce stress and anxiety. Engaging in a word search or seek-a-word puzzle can be a delightful form of self-care. Now, let's zoom in on the specific allure of word searches and seek-a-word puzzles. Word searches challenge our lexical prowess as we scour a grid of letters, searching for hidden words. They are not only entertaining, but also contribute to language development and reinforce spelling skills. Seek-a-word puzzles take the challenge a step further, concealing words in every possible direction. These puzzles require keen observation and a sharp eye, offering an exhilarating mental adventure for enthusiasts. In conclusion, puzzles, especially word searches and seek-a-word challenges, are more than just games. They are gateways to a world of mental exploration, providing benefits that extend beyond the joy of solving. So, whether you're a seasoned puzzle master or a newcomer, grab a pen and dive into the enchanting universe of puzzles. Your brain will thank you!